Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking with you about USAA Bank and more specifically how you can order checks for USAA. So a little bit of background on what a check is. It's a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then the person that you're paying deposits the check. Once they've done that, the money will be taken out of your account and then deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order checks for your USAA bank account. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your bank account number and routing number on it. The first thing that you're going to do is open your browser on your phone and type in the bank web address. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whatever browser you normally use will work perfectly fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the website and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, mobile.usaa.com. You can also check out the description for the link to USAA. So the first way that you can order checks is by logging into your USAA bank account online. For this, you're going to click on the log on button, which is at the top right hand corner of the screen. Click on that, and then that's going to bring you to this screen right here where you can enter your online ID and your password. If you don't have an online ID and password, you can click right down here where it says already a member and to register for your online access. From there, just follow the steps on the screen to complete the enrollment process. Once you're in, you're going to want to click on banking options and then order checks online. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way that you can order checks is going to be by calling the customer service number for USAA and ordering them over the phone. You should be able to find this phone number on the back of your debit card, and that will probably be the easiest place that you can find the phone number. You can also check out the website for USAA and look for a Contact Us page, but that can sometimes be a little bit tricky and not so straightforward. So if you happen to know another way to find the customer service phone number, please be sure to let me know in the comments. I do want to let you know that sometimes there will be an additional fee to use this service to order your checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you talk to them. The third and final way that you can order checks is going to be through a third-party vendor. To do this, simply go to Google and do a search for order replacement checks for USAA. I've already got this tab up and I've already searched for order replacement checks for USAA, and this is just going to bring up several websites where you can order your checks. You've got walmartchecks.com, Checks Unlimited, and as you keep scrolling down you'll see several more. Do be aware that the security features and prices to order checks online from these third-party vendors will vary. If you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order replacement checks for USAA from, please be sure to let me know in the comments. Ordering checks from a third-party vendor is also where your voided check copy will come in handy because you'll have to provide your exact USAA bank account and routing number. Unlike when you order from the USAA website or through their customer service, you'll have to provide those numbers yourself because they won't be automatically loaded. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please make sure to check out the description for more information on USAA.